Hey guys, wanna know how to fix login issues in Asphalt 9 Legends? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your Asphalt 9 application, and now you should be provided with this login screen right here. Now see, when I click to Facebook, sometimes there might come in an error just like this. Now in order to fix it, what you can do is simply wait for a minute, restart your Wi-Fi or restart your application itself. And if it still doesn't work, try alternatives. That is, connecting to your Play Games first. Now, once you have logged in with Play Games, we need to connect to Facebook or any other accounts. So simply hit towards settings on the top right. And now right here you can see connect under Game Loft Connect. Simply click on it. And now right here you can see Facebook and Game Loft. Just simply select any one of them and there you have it. Now your login should work. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.